Good morning, my name is Saul, and together with my classmates Alberto, Aaron, Edgar, and Marcos, we are going to talk about the story The Gold Bug by Edgar Allan Poe. The Gold Bug is a novel written by a North American author named Edgar Allan Poe, and it was published in 1843. The protagonist is William Legrand. William Legrand was passionate about entomology, which is the study of insects and their relationship with humans, the environment, and other organisms. After losing his fortune, he lived near the coast of South Carolina, along with his African American servant Jupiter.
Okay, I'll talk about the plot. One day Willy Grant explored his surroundings. He found a bug with a shiny gold color and black spots. That same day, a person arrived and drew the creature discovered by Legrand. However, the shape of the bug intrigued Legrand, and the skull appeared to form on the drawing.
Okay. Hello, teacher. I'm Edgar. I'm gonna expose the Legrand and the drawing and the expedition. So, Legrand drawing, it means Legrand spent time analyzing the drawing, and in the book, it says that he seemed to be going insane while trying to find a meaning to it. I mean the drawing. The drawing, I mean the drawing he that he that his friend wrote no draw the the gold book that he found on the on the Iceland. So until he finally decided to do an expedition involving his servant Jupiter, and the drawings artists, I mean the friend of Legrand. Legrand believed that this expedition will help him to recover his lost fortune. Uh, that means because he knows that he was going to find a pirate teaser, so that's the reason he made the expedition. So in the expedition, took place in an island near of Legrand's home, and during it, the man came across a great tulip tree. It means he he was trying to find a tulip, and Legrand and Jupiter climbed the tree, which has a skull of the top of it, and Jupiter dropped the book on the skull left socket, and it fell a certain distance from the tree. It means that he took a distance that he thought he needed to write in in, in his mind, and draw and next draw he draws the line between the tree and the spot of the book fell from the skull and extended by 50 feet well because he knows that the ciphertext that he found on the draw on the pirate ciphertext, uh, it was the it is the it was the that I said was the instructions of he needed to do to find the pirate teaser. So that's all from my part, and yeah.
As soon as Legrand drew the line, the men dug a hole at the point where it ended, discovering an amazing treasure that was worth millions of dollars. The treasure was buried by a pirate who crafted a riddle and was sold by Legrand. The excitement went down, and Legrand explained that the scrap of paper where the bug drawing was made actually was a scroll he found on the coast, and it was written with invisible link that was revealed once it got placed near a heat source. At this point the skull appeared and a cryptogram was revealed.
The cryptogram. The cryptogram was solved through the substitution process using letter frequencies as reference. The ciphered message was the one depicted on the following picture. As we can see, there are a lot of characters on the ciphered message, and okay.
The deciphering process was the following. Legrand ordered the symbols by the frequency in which they appeared. The number 8 appeared 33 times, the colon appeared 26 times, the number 4 appeared 19 times, the double cross and right parenthesis 16 times, the asterisk 13 times, the number 5 12 times, the number 6 11 times, the left parenthesis 10 times, the number 1 and the cross 8 times, the number 0 6 times, the numbers 9 and 2 5 times, the colon and number 3 4 times, the question mark 3 times, the Velcro symbol 2 times, and the period and minus sign 1 time. Then he matched those frequencies according to the ones in which various letters appeared in the English vocabulary. For example, the number 8 appeared the most times on the cryptogram, with a total of 33 instances of it. Similarly, the letter E is the most frequently used one in English sentences. After this process, he analyzed the patterns in which the letters appeared. For example, the number 8 appeared in pairs multiple times, which confirmed that it was indeed the letter E. He substituted the letters in the original message and fixed the spacing. The deciphered message was shown to be the following. A good glass in the bishop's hostel in the devil's ear. 41 degrees and 13 minutes northeast and by north. Main branch, 7th limb, east side. Shoot from the left eye of the death's head. A V-line from the tree through the shot 50 feet out. This result led him to realize that he had to drop the buck from the skull's left eye socket and extend the line by 50 feet. They found the treasure, and that's how the story concluded.